Hello there, this is Amanda, and today I'm going to be showing you what I learned in my network learning project on how to create interactive lesson videos using EduCanon. So in order to learn this skill, I consulted a few resources. Several YouTube tutorials helped, such as this EduCanon tutorial here. As well as some help forums on the EduCanon site. So these had lots of different topics that I could explore and figure out some of the features of the program. But to start off with making a lesson video, I actually started with another app, EduCreations, that I'd used on my iPad before. Basically, I can upload our journal pages into it from our math program, and for instance, in lesson 110, I can show them the pages, kind of walk them through problems, using my stylus to record different features, and then having the kids check their answers at the end. So they can't see me in this video and they can't interact with it, but this was a good starting point. From here, I would save the videos onto my iPad on the camera roll, and then using YouTube Capture, which I also learned on a YouTube help tutorial, I uploaded them into my YouTube account. So here you see all the videos in my YouTube account, and I could just grab the link from this one and then dump it into EduCanon. So when we get into EduCanon, if we look at the bulbs or lessons that I created, yep, you can go ahead and paste the link into here. And this is where we can input all of our questions and things for the kids to interact with. So for instance, I could select a timestamp and type in a question that I want the kids to answer. This little guy will make a fill in the blank. You could do multiple choice, as well as inserting a link to an outside source, or putting in a reflective pause with some directions for the kids. But you can change the time and then save it where you need it to go, and the video continues. So once you have all of your questions, you can kind of preview, and it will show you how all of those questions appear as the kids are watching the video. So for instance, if I click here, it's going to show that first question that we created, and then I can fill in. So a 3-yard hippo in feet would be 9 feet, and then it checks my answer, and green means correct. So the kids are answering the questions in the video, showing me what they learned. And then if I go into, if we go back out to the dashboard here on EduCanon, I can go to monitor and see how they did. So I can click any lesson. Let's find that one we just looked at. So lesson 110. And we'll see some of the kids may not have watched the video yet if they're absent or whatnot, but it will show you how all the kids did on each question, and even how they rated the video as to how well they understood it. So I can get some great data from here as to who's understanding what and who I need to check in with. So I can pull groups during lesson time, and after I'm done teaching, to kind of remediate and extend concepts when necessary. And then we just go back out and I can design a new bulb. So here's where I'd paste that link and do the whole process again, titling that lesson, and then we'd add in our questions. So lots of great options on here. Definitely learned a lot, and I want to keep continuing to use this program to record lessons throughout the year and maybe branch out into other subjects other than math as well. So thanks for listening.